Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone is stuck on white screen. So guys, if you're also facing this problem and your iPhone is stuck on white screen, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So as for that, you have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, force restart the device, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then open your settings in your device and now scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So as if there is any update available for you, you have to simply update it. So as after this check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you're still facing this problem, then open your settings again and tap on general, scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings of your iPhone from here. So guys, do this for one time, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.